Welcome to this project. In this project, we are going to create point of sale receipt in Excel sheet. First of all, main dashboard sheet in which we can create receipt. Product sheet contains items. Sales sheet, here we are going to save our sales, and here is the customers sheet. So find item automatically added into the sale receipt. Add another one and 300 and return 60. If you want to add discount, you can add discount. After that, you can take print of this sheet. Like that, a beautiful print, and you can save the data into sales. This project is very amazing for you. Please subscribe my channel. Before starting, one thing keeps in mind that your design should be like my design. For example, my product ID cell is C5, so your product ID cell should be C5. First of all, save the file, browse, select the save as type, and Excel macro enabled workbook, and here sheet name is POS. Change the name dashboard, and after that, from I to A to I, change the background color like that, and merged the cell, point of sale. So you can write whatever you want here, POS or your shop name. Change the color, and here Adobe Arabic. Like that. After that, select 2 to 18 and change the background color. Then here write product ID and product name, description, price, here quantity, and after that payment method, and customer name, like that. So now select cells and bold it. After that, from C to E, change the background color to white, like that. And also from C to E, white, and here So change it like that. Sorry for that. Qt board and also like that. The background color should be like this. Now for description box, and here after that save and go to file, then select options, and here select customize ribbon and check this option and click OK. So go to developers tool, and here you can insert combo box like that simply, and now this time select again combo box but from active X controls. So here, and after that select button, but and right click, edit text and save button, bold, copy paste, edit text to clear, and also paste one more for find product. And now from G to H and start from 5. So G5. So where is G5? G5 is here, and it is from 9, and the background color should be like this, and subtotal, discount, total, paid, and change. So it should be like that. Border, all border, and white, because we are going to take input in this cell. So it should be white, and like that, percentage. Save it. So make sure this cell is G9, starting from this and a little bit like that, and so okay, good. And the next one is from J to N, merge, and after merging you can write whatever you want to write here, sale receipt, like that, and bold, center align, and merge this row. You can paste your company name here, and also merge this one and your business address. After that, here bottom border like that, and like this. And after this, in K, you can write like that: phone, receipt number or receipt ID, date, cashier, payment, and or you can say that payment type, customer name, and here product name, quantity, price, and here total, like that. So select this column, format, or you can say that right justify or right align, sorry, and here also for this column so write your phone number here. So this is not valid, and receipt ID, for example 1001, and is equal to a function now. And after that, cashier and payment type. So select format cell, go to border, select this one, click here, and then select this one, click here. So after that, go to insert pictures, and here you can paste your business logo or any other logo that you want to display. You can, like that. Okay, and the next is view and remove the grid lines. Go to view tab and then click here. So looking nice. After that, we are going towards new mini table that will help us to maintain all the things, and this is starting from 21 to 26. So from 21 to 26 here all borders, and after that the background color is over like that. Good. And here product raw. I'll explain the purpose of this cell, but right now, right here, product raw, receipt raw, after that next receipt number. So for that, double click here and payment index, after that current product ID. For specific purpose we'll use it later. Product raw, and from 28 to 30 all border, background color, and here method cash, card, and bank. So line center, also for that line top, or what you want to display like this. Okay, so select this one and go to format control. So from cash to bank, and link cell as payment index. Select payment index from here. Okay, and now select cash. Cash is 1, so card is 2, and now here, so you can put your formula that is index formula. If index match with 3, that is here 3 values, cash, card, and bank. So formula will be is equal to index and range or array, and the index value is here. So if I change cash, look at here, cash, bank, or what you want to select. So here will change. So what is meant by this formula or function, that is index means from this range and this index. If index is equal to, for example, 2, then go to this table and 1, 2. So pick this one and store it here. After that, add sheets, so products, sales, and for customers. So products, sales, and for customers, like that. And next one is for customers, ID, name, address, phone. So from A to D, customers ID, name, address, and font. So select this one like that, and Adobe Arabic, white, and the background color should be here like that, and from 1 2 3 4 customer name like that, and address ABC XYZ. You can assign anyone. So, and that phone number is like that. So, and after that, save the file, and after that go to dashboard and select this tab, format control, or go to properties, and first of all here go to format control, and for example customer and this one, or you can select like that, just copy, and if look at here, these are the names. So go to control and properties, so fill range, and after that link the cell as L. I think this one is L9. Properties, link cell is L9. Go to developer, click on this button, and now you can select Fahim. Here Fahim, you can select Nadeem or Imran, or you want to select, and format control, again change, and very good. So here, and after that to home align left, and now for products and sales, so from A to E, merge the cell and assign the value products, and here product ID, name, description, purchase, purchase price, and sale price. Save. Adobe Arabic products, and here 1 2 3 product IDs. So pen, register, laptop, and XYZ. After that, mobile. So card, light, and TV. It is so difficult that I'm thinking right now. And after that, mic in front of me, and speaker. So fan. So random atoms, and device. Okay, enough. So ABC, XYZ, and IJK. So select, and 110, 120, 130. So after that, 120 is sale price, 130 and 140, like that. Nice. And in sales, here from H, and right here sales, ID, date, cashier, customer name, product, quantity, price, and total. You can store like that. Border and sales. So looking good. And now go to dashboard, and in dashboard here, and for assigning the name, go to products, and here formulas, name manager, new, and right here atom ID, name, and after that offset products, and click tab for that. And here the atoms are selected from 1 to 12. The maximum range is A9999, but we are counting only the available items or available products by using this offset formula. So click OK, close, and after that again name manager, new, and this time atom price. So atom price. So here the formula will be like that. So because atom price, sale price, and so look at here. So values from this row from pen to device are selected successfully. So first leave this input box and then select again, and after that once again go to sales, and for example 1, and date is 7/10/2020, ABC Z product 10, 1, 10, total 10. So again select name manager, new, and name should be edit, and here then select again. So all is well, and for that okay, so go to dashboard, and for example if I write here merge the cells, also merge, save it. For example if I write here 1, and this atom row which is 3 is right in this box. So for this a formula, that is if error, so by using match formula we can perform this task, and the formula is match. So first parameter is C3, and then atom ID. After that if not match, and 0 plus 2, and if not match, empty. So why I am going to add 2? Because 1 and 2, so add 2. If this one is matched at here, so which is index 1 2, and add 2 another, so the right index will be 4. So write here 2, so index 4, and if I write 11, so 13, so 11 ID at 13 index. And next one is next receipt for same. So it is equal to if error max and receipt number plus 1, and if number not found, then it should be 1. So okay, the here double small braces. The next receipt number is 2. If I delete this row, so what will be happen? The receipt number will be 1. So if last receipt is 3, then the next will be 4. And same, this cell is equal to this cell. So our next receipt number is here. And right now delete this one and save. And after that, payment index, and here add ID, and for example this item is added into the bill. So the 1 pen, quantity 1, 10, and it means 10, like that. So if I select this row, so the here number should be 12. So for example, this item is selected, then here number should be 12. So, and now we are going toward formatting, and go to Home tab, and here manage rules, new rules, and select this one. And after that you can add rule. So here is equal to receipt row, and so first of all I want to select like that, multiple rows, and after that go to manage rules, new rule is equal to this one, and row format font should be bold and fill with and apply. So this one is selected. So current item is selected successfully. And if I change, this row is selected, and even like that 12, so this row is selected. And after that write the formula here in this box. So is equal to sum on the basis of condition if there are any items in this list. So is equal to K11 or from K12 to K999. So it means that not equal to empty. So plus from N12 to N999. So discount, for example, 1%. Total formula is equal to total amount or subtotal minus, into curly braces, total minus percentage and 1%. So sorry for that. Multiply here H5 and H6. I think this formula is not right. So the format of this cell, go to the format cells, number, and you can select number like that over, and H5 multiplied by H6 and H5 here. So the paid amount after that change is equal to H8 minus this one, H7. So save that, and you are thinking that this formula is not right, but this formula is right. So look at here. So all is good and all is well. What is the next thing? So first of all, open this file. Link is given in the video description. You can download this file. So add product, this submodule, copy this one and go to developer tab, Visual Basic, and add insert module, and here paste it here, and for now delete this one. So here is the module name. Here we are going to declare variable over object atom raw as long data type and avail raw. So first of all, here if I cut this one, so by using with sheet 1, we are going to perform all operation in this function or within these lines. We are going to perform all the functions with sheet 1. So, or we can write like that, before range we can add like that sheet 1 dot range, but instead of everyone, write only one time with sheet 1. So first of all, dot range mean sheet 1 dot range B21. So where is B21? B21 is here. So if B21 is empty, in case if I write here 111, so here B21 is empty because there is no atom with ID 111. So if B21 is empty, then store B22 nothing over empty string and so on, and put a message that record not found. Save it. So now if you write like that, so it is C3, so B21. here. And so first of all, click here, assign macro, select this method, and if I click here, record not found message. So in that case, there is no atom with ID 111 over any other ID. So after that, if atom found, then what will happen? So if atom not found, exit this, no need to execute all the lines. So if, so the atom raw, here is the variable atom raw, so 21 dot value. So we are going to get value and store into this variable into atom raw. So what is the value of 21? So if suppose 1, so value of 21 is here, it will be 1. So store into this. So this is actually this raw ID. Suppose I enter 1, so it will store here 3. So I suppose that this is equal to 3. So now we are going to find new row which is from dot range K999 dot end Excel up. So we are going to find the row where K is ending, so the K is empty. So it means that what will be the next row where we can insert our product, our atom. So like that. So where product, so where K is empty, so this will find, so here this will return the last edit row or last row that contain record, and then add 1 in it and get the available row. And after that, store set receipt row, so the avail row B22, so B22, so here B22 is here. So if I am going to add new atoms or new products, so if the new row is 14, so then add 14 here, that we are going to select this row. So like that, and suppose here 3, and atom row contain 3, so the B3. So what is the value? Sheet 2 dot range B, so this one B, and we are going to add like that. So the value of atom row is 3, so it will be B and 3, so like that. So the sheet 2 B3, the value of sheet 2 products, and the B3, here the value of B3 is pen. So right now we are going to store pen into C5. So C5 is here, C5, which is product name, and like that C10 atom price, atom description, in C7 range in, so the E10 contains quantity, so the E10 quantity, price 120. So after that, then all the values are stored in B2, C5, C10, C7 and E10. So now store the value into this table, which is the receipt that we can print. Okay. So J which means that it is atom ID here. So J is the atom ID. So first of all, we are going to store atom ID, which is in C3. Remember that atom ID in C3. So you can store atom ID from C3 to J and the available raw. So available raw is here. And like that, C5 contains name. You can store into K because so the K like that, the K is the product name in column K, and after that E10 atom quantity, price, and the last one is the N, which is the total. So N is equal to the M multiplied by N. So the value of M multiplied by L, so you can get the total. So after that, clear contents from C3 to E3, which is ID, and then select again C3. So here to register, and after that, here I think error, so you can add 4. So like that. Very good. So just go to the format, general, click OK, or number, like that. L13, it should be the value L13 multiplied by like that. Okay, again search, and now it is go. So after that, here copy the subtotal, and this is equal to this one, this is equal to this one, this equal to this one, and save. So dynamically we will put this into bottom of this by using VBA, Visual Basic for Application. So the next one is our next target, that is clear sub, copy it and simply paste it here, save, assign the clear function, and click here to clear, and like that all the cells are cleared successfully. And after that, suppose copy and paste it here, so at M, like that, and select from this one to so on, J to N and go to conditional formatting, manage rules, add new. Here is equal to where M, so here $sign M19 is equal to subtotal, where M19, this column value is equal to subtotal, conditional formatting, and top border should be like this. Okay, and apply. So here add another one, and that is M10 for total. Format and select this one and here. Okay, apply and then okay. So for that, and select all and give the name footer group. The next item that we are going to copy, and that is selection. Copy that and go to dashboard, this one sheet, and paste it here. So save. So worksheet selection change, raw is selected like that. Now it is good. So selection change means when, if I select this cell and then selection change, I select this cell, so what will happen? So if intersect that the target or range from K12 to N9. So if I am going to select from K, this cell, to so on that from K12, so that is K12 to N999, so is nothing, or K target is empty. So in case that if I am selecting that cell, so there is no selection. So if I am selecting this cell, the color is changed, but at the same time here K is empty, so there is no selection, but same time we are going to select the cell. And the second thing is that going to create variables, and after that, first of all, target.raw store into B22. So in this here, store into B22, which is the target raw. So because of that, if I select 11, I repeat once again, or like that, 12, 13, so raw is selected. So change the so that, and here then store the target.raw.value, so the value of K, which means that atom name or product name, store into, if I select this one, then is here is register, and XYZ pan like that. So this, so very good. And the next thing, that if I select this atom, store description here, so the current product ID, is here. So here is the indexed. So copy the same formula and paste it here. Just change it to current and now save. So if I select this item, the description is selected for register for this. So here B26 is the atom raw. So if suppose that atom raw is equal to 3, then the C atom raw 3, so C3 store into C7. So sheet 2 C3, so C3 is here ABC and store it into the description box. So you can clear as, so this one is clear. And the next thing is, if I change this, automatically change in this field, or if I add new atom, then also change here. So for that, first of all, we are going to insert barcode. Now the next thing is add another group, that is the add a label and add it thank you for visiting, or you can display any message here. And you can add barcode by using barcode found. So and like that, and the group this name footer group, and this group is the footer group and also footer group, but here change the sub total, save it, and this is the footer range. So save it, and after that copy this function and go to the module 1, paste it here. Update sum means every time update the sum and add new rows. So same, only difference is that we are going to copy footer range. So here is the footer range, so we are going to copy footer range and paste it here in the bottom of the lines. Maybe paste it here or paste it here, depends on the condition. So after that we are going to paste footer group L column and last atom row plus 7. So 7 means these are the 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7. After 7 rows we are copy this group, and for that now call this function here, save it, and if I add another atom, may not be available in this work book. So first of all, click here, and now look at the result. Look at the beautiful result. So very good. And the like this. So like that, result is very beautiful. And after that, and also if I add item 2 and find, and then look at the result. So automatically, dynamically, it changes and goes down. So now if I change to 1000, so here should be change also. So for this, we are going to insert, or if, for example, if I select register and I want to change quantity and price. So for example, the quantity I want to change price to 150. So here is no change. So for that, I'm going to dashboard sheet and paste it here. So first of all, if in so the worksheet change, if worksheet change, then identify that if H8 is changed. So first of all, identify that if this atom is changed. If this atom is changed, then update sum, so which is in this sheet. So good, and then select range H8 change. So save it, and if I change to 1000 and look at this, automatically paid amount changed according to the condition. And now for that, and here if C10 over E10, which means we are focusing on C10 and this one E10. So if price over quantity changed and B2 is not equal to empty, then also update the price into M column and update quantity into L column, and then update the sum. So for that, if I select this atom and the price is 200, so look at that, change automatically, and 2, so look at that, 2 multiplied by 200 is equal to 400 and 1100, and that sum is also changed. So if I change again 2 and look at that, 1200, 1770, sum is also changed. And after that, last but not least, that is we are going to store data, and here is our save and clear function. Copy that function and paste module 1, and in this function we are going to add data. So first of all, we are going to identify last row. So last row means we are going to identify which is the last row, and after that we are going to store it into the sales. So for that, first of all, sheet 3 A column, so the first DB row and first DB row, so total rows minus 1, so the L5, and so L5 means here L5 is the L7 and L5 is the ID. So we are going to store from first row to the last DB row L5, which is the receipt ID, then L6, 7, 9, and the 6 date, 7, 8, and the 9. So accordingly, after that we are going to store E to H. So from E to H means that product name, quantity, price, and total in sales. So product name, and from H to E. So save it, and from E to H, from E product name, change that, from product name, quantity, price, and total. So for that, click on first assign macro, save and clear, and after that click on that button, and our product is, or sales is correctly stored into this. A very nice module. And if I want to add this one, a little bit here, and then add 2, and like that. And if I here add 300, I automatically change. So one thing that is the view or page layout. Go to the print area and first select this one, and then select print area. So the print area is selected and good to go. Clear button, and if I click Control plus print, here is the result, a beautiful page. And also you can horizontally, so if I print that, so look at the result. So the result is here. So if you want to print ID, then select from I, J to N. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much for watching this video.